Yes, people, so last night was Unruly Fest, and from the looks of things, it's shut. So we want to talk about that little bit, right? We also want to talk about the Dr. Beenieman and the Unruly boss Popcaan himself sharing a stage on Get a Splash, right? And we want to talk about RTBoss. I know him song I Take the World by Storm, sent to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So first, let's talk about Popcaan and Beenieman. So there's a video going around right now. You see me? I don't know if you see it yet, but it's a video of Beenieman and Popcaan himself sharing a stage and Get a Splash. So I'm going to show you the video real quick. So have a look on this.
Swanja, Popcaan, I know I can't sing a line. Coming out just a 4-day time. But to be sure, respect, that's mine. Respect my brethren, that's mine. We don't put no one in here.
So some people might wonder what's so special about Beenieman and Popcaan sharing a stage. Well, if you don't remember keenly, like I think last year sometime, Beenieman made a statement about Popcaan. Well, actually, he was saying that the song Family, and when Popcaan said the lyrics of Popcaan said about 1 pound of rice and 3 sardines, Beenieman made a comment, and Beenieman was saying basically that 3 cans of sardine is not that cheap. You see what I say? So Popcaan take offense to it, and they had a little back and forth. You know what I mean? Beanie the singer this song and thing, Popcaan to respond, but however, Papi they call him Dread Beanie and say him chat too much, so them never did a friend from what I know. So if you see the two big man, them put them differences aside and they on the stage together, you saw me, I said that is just a joy and respect to both parties. In this instance, you saw me, I say two big man decide say a music thing there. So let's talk about what happened at Unruly Fest. First of all, we have to big up Popcaan for keeping Unruly Fest and big up the whole of St. Thomas. You see me, I say Miss Royal come from St. Thomas and things. So I don't know say St. Thomas step on top right now. Them just need the KFC. Now, but with all seriousness still, who's the Papi entry? Well, everybody must see that. But watch this again if case you don't see it. Alright, so now we see Papi fly across the stage and do him thing. You saw me and say, let's talk about some of the other video them we see. We see Mr. Lex, people. If one of the things says Mr. Lex never still got it, Mr. Lex shell on the place, people. You saw me and say Mr. Lex going good. We see Agent Sasko, we see like Richie Spice and thing. You saw me and say, but more for sure, the international actor people, we never know like who was going to be the international act. But however, there was a rapper by the name of Casanova. I know a lot of you might not know him, but you know what I mean, I'm familiar with him. Let's take a look at what Casanova have to say about the show itself and thing. And Jamaica, him visit to Jamaica. Watch this.
Jamaica, I'm so sorry, man. Oh, man. Listen. Whoa. I know I say I'm outside. But Jamaica is outside, out, blood clot, side. This nigga Poppy concert not done till 9 in the morning. I can't take it. I leave in Jamaica. Y'all too outside.
Well, I guess you never know how Jamaicans party, so I say. Then support them never did have a nice abatement and all these things in place. When party used to go to 12 o'clock and then time there. And what would I do? See me I say. But yes, people, so right now I want to talk about the man where I make the girl them go and bad outside. You see me I say, even the queen of the dancehall herself have to wine to the song. You see me I say. So right now I want you to take a look on that video. yes, people, the song is by RTBoss and the song is called Send to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. And you see Spice herself a wine to the song and a go on bad. People know say RTBoss now they on a joke thing. When them man they say them a do road with them song, them a do road with them song. You see me I say. And them man them money no stop ya so. So when them man they go party and a dash your money on the dance of them and play thing. You don't believe me? Watch this.
Hey, let me clarify something. I don't come to Jamaica come throw money with my face pan it with fake. I throw real money. So just to clarify your error. I don't come to Jamaica come throw no money with no false face pan it. I throw money with him pan it. Who him?
You share.
Him. Okay, let me show you my money there. Let me show you. See? Him. See? RT face not the money. So this is what I throw. See? It's all out I throw right here, so. I have more for throw. So you have to come a day rave. You have to come a Rooksy. See that? See?
Just like me telling the people, the man ain't a joke thing. You see what I say? Right now, that song is endorsed by some of my biggest name them in Jamaica. When you see the queen of the dancehall herself, when you see Spice, you see me I say Spice like the song Spice. I dance to the song. When you see Shelly Belly in the same video with Spice, they don't know who Shelly Belly is. I don't know if you don't know nothing about dancing. Because them man, they are like legend in that thing when it comes to dancing. You see what I say? And then the man have the whole of the girl them on the team. You see what I say? The whole team Spice I dance to him dance, and then him have other girls. You see me I say him have a dancer like Crackers, and him have Cherise, and them other girl they dance to the song. Whole heap of dancer queen. You see me I say, and then now him have like the top selector them people. You hear him say DJ Rooksy. You see me I say you know Rooksy and Cardo CD Fantasy sound. You see me I say that's a big deal. If CD Fantasy I play your music, people. Me I tell him say a thing well on the way. You see me I say. Then you have selector like Boom Boom we also play the song. Me see enough video upload with the song I play. Me see like all dancer like Dolly Body and them dancer they are dance and the song I play. And me watch like 2 grand thing them. Me hear the song I play. Watch on the spot you hear the song I play. So me I say it's just like the song just did it. So people that song you go on. Me not just telling you that. It's only a matter of time before the song take over the place fully and you just hear it everywhere you go. Even ladies them me see a catch on the words them and I say send to the 5 cent 10 cent dollar. You see me? So watch this. I'll show you some dancer singing song. Watch this.
See the dollar there. Take up the dollar more there. See more dollar there. More dollar.
So you must realize by now, I not play out the full song, and that's on purpose, people, because I want to know for go over RTBoss official Vivo and listen to the song. That's so you see me? Because that song, remember me telling you people, like me say, I better when you start listening to that song now and get familiar. And don't be like, yo, me used to hear that song there, because that happen to people all the time, you know. There's a lot of songs when me hear and I play them in my mind, and then when time you get big, it's like me almost afraid to say, yo, this song bad, because you know what I mean? Me did hear it and me did overlook it. And then when it get big now, me don't want to look like a bandwagonist. You see me? So don't make this happen to you with that song, because that song take the place by storm. From when you see Spice, when you see Shelly Belly, and a dancing rebel to the inner the video, you know. You see what I say? I show you the video again. Look on the screen right now. You see it's a dancing rebel. I dance to the song with her hand in her sling. When you know the story about Rebel and Brook and thing, right? I don't know, and Brook she still a dance to RTBoss song. So that for sure you say the song well bad. You see me? We said DJ Rooksy and Cardo them CD Fantasy. You see me? I say boom boom. The whole of Jamaica, me I say people, I take down to that song. So, you see me I say, don't get left out. Just run over there and check it out. Me I go put the link in the description so you can click on the link and go listen to it. You see me I say. So, just big up on yourself other than that. You know it's Dancehall IG. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't like and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.